just weeks after the Pune Porsche crash had numbed the nation. This is another chilling hit-and-run case that has now put the focus on the need for strict laws against reckless drivers. On Sunday, a couple from the fisherman community who were on the way back home in Mumbai when a four-wheeler high-end BMW supercar rammed into the couple. The incident took place at 5:30 in the morning on Sunday when the bike that was passing by the Atria Mall in Worli. Now, the injured couple who were immediately admitted to a hospital where unfortunately the woman succumbed to her injuries. 45-year-old Kaveri unfortunately succumbed to her injuries. But this has a political link that has now emerged. Times Now has learned that the vehicle that actually belonged to a Shiv Sena leader, Rajesh Shah, while he wasn't in the vehicle at the time of the incident, his driver and his son Mihir Shah apparently were present. Now, subsequently, the Mumbai police have made first arrest in the Mumbai hit-and-run case with the Shiv Sena leader, Rajesh Shah, and also the driver, Rajendra Bidawat, who had been formally arrested. However, the son Mihir Shah, who was also said to be in the vehicle, continues to remain missing. Now, 6 teams that have been formed of the Mumbai police to find out where Mihir Shah is.
गाड़ी में जो अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न हुआ है, उस समय गाड़ी में एक राजश्री बिड़ावत और दूसरा जो है मिहिर शाह, ऐसे 2 व्यक्ति थे, जिसमें से राजश्री बिड़ावत हमारे पास है।
राजेश शाह ने क्या शराब पी रखी थी और कहां से वो निकला?
जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, इसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है, एफआईआर दाखिल हो चुकी है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो कुछ भी निष्पन्न होगा उसके आधार पे आगे की कार्रवाई होगी।
क्या जुहू में वो पाया गया सीसीटीवी?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसके बारे में जारी है।
Well, as far as the investigation is concerned, let's get you the details where in the Worli hit-and-run case, the accused Rajendra Singh Vikawat and the father of the person, Rajesh Shah, who have been brought to the Worli police station after their medical examination. And this is hours after the incident that was reported. These 2 individuals have now been arrested by the police. But when it comes to the individual who is said to be the son of Rajesh Shah, Mihir Shah, he still continues to remain on the run. He was apparently in the car when the hit and run happened, along with the driver, Rajendra Singh Bidawat, who too has now been taken into custody. This is the medical test that we are told is being conducted last night itself, and the arrests that have now taken place. But however, when it comes to this high-end BMW car that was said to be a part of this hit and run case, unfortunately, the woman on your screens is no more. Kaveri, who was on board the scooty along with her husband early in the morning when this Porsche car rammed their vehicle. She was on that scooty on the rear seat, and unfortunately she succumbed to her injuries. We have Arunil with us right now. Arunil, an update on the ongoing investigation, please.
The manhunt for the main accused Mihir Shah, the boy who could be seen having basically entering a bar in Juhu as well, and after that he was behind the wheels, tried to destroy evidence, is been ongoing by the Mumbai police. Mumbai police basically is on the lookout for this main accused. With respect to the other co-accused that have been arrested, the driver of this car that has been arrested, he mentioned about the fact that how Mihir Shah was insisting on driving the car despite being under the influence of alcohol. The father of Mihir Shah, Rajesh Shah, who is allegedly linked to CM Shinde's Shiv Sena party. There are many pictures of him with CM Shinde as well as the other leaders that have come to the fore. The father is arrested. Basically, Mihir Shah, after dragging the woman for as many as 3 kilometers on Worli, the woman could be seen on the bonnet of the car. Unfortunately, the woman died as well. Mihir Shah tried to destroy evidences related to the accident. He tried to change the number plate of the car. There was a Shiv Sena sticker on the car. He tried to remove that as well. He tried to basically hide the car. Mumbai police recovered the plush BMW car. However, Mihir Shah is absconding at present as well. Yesterday, Aditya Thackeray as well as the other leaders from the Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena camp, they had gone and met the victim, basically the husband of the woman who passed away. And they said that they expect speedy investigation in this and no bias should be done by the government of CM Eknath Shinde, just because their alleged leader is involved in this. This also reminds us of the horrifying Pune Porsche case tragedy as well, wherein a similar kind of hit and run case was noticed, and in that as well, alcohol was seen as one of the instrumental factors. The youth in Pune as well was seen consuming alcohol in two of the bars. Here as well, Mihir Shah, this accused, was captured entering a bar with his friends, and later on he was seen behind the wheel drinking and driving, and in the wee hours yesterday, basically on Sunday, this accident took place, wherein this couple who basically were returning from the Sasundog to Worli belonged to the prominent Koli community. They were on the bike, and unfortunately the woman was rammed by this high-end car and she lost her life.
All right. Well, that's the unfortunate part as far as when it comes to the main individual who continues to remain untraceable. There have been CCTV footages that have also been accessed. But thank you, Arunil, for that update. We also talk about when it comes to the investigation, while 6 teams that have been formed now to nab the accused Mihir Shah, the Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, meanwhile, has promised a thorough and an impartial investigation in the case.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है, और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार, तो जो भी हो कानून के सामने सब बराबर है।
Well, in the meantime, let's also get you how the opposition has now been gunning for the Shinde Sarkar over this hit-and-run case, and they have blamed them for not doing enough to curb such incidents, as the Pune case is something that is still fresh in our memories.
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में, और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत, शाह। ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।
शिंदे गुट के एक नेता के घर की गाड़ी है, और जिस तरह से इन्होंने हिट एंड रन किया है, मुझे लगता है कि हिट एंड रन के अगेंस्ट महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कुछ पॉलिसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, जो सरकार ला नहीं रही। पूना में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसा ही था।
Well, even as the police continue to be in the lookout for the main accused in the case, politics, however, has also been taking place, seeking for an impartial and a fair probe. We'll get you the updates on this big story back after a short break. You're watching the Morning News Hour.